Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Shrinking Soma puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Shrinking Soma puzzle is made of pear and Wenge woods. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to put all these 7 Soma parts inside the frame in such a way that you're gonna cover the opening, which is 4 by 4, and this shape is gonna hold on top and not gonna fall inside the frame. And at a first glance it seems like impossible, since you have regular 7 Soma parts, and if you assemble them together you're gonna create a 3 by 3 by 3 cube, but this frame is 4 by 4 by 4, so it's going to be a small cube inside a huge frame. But there are ways how to do it, and there is really interesting puzzle and unique idea how to use something well known like a classic Soma puzzle and to create completely new puzzle out of these parts. It is so-called anti-slide puzzle, so when you put all parts together and in a correct shape and put them inside the frame, you have to try to shake the frame. If these parts are still hold together and not falling inside, that means that you found the correct solution, but you have to shake it really hard, since there are many different ways how you can create a 4 by 4 shape, but there are not many ways how this shape is gonna stay together after like a pretty rough shake. If you like Shrinking Soma puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first I will put the frame aside, since I don't need it right now. The recommendation of Dr. Volker Latusek was to create a 4 by 4 shape with a column or a leg that is going to hold this shape inside the frame. So you have to create it outside the frame, then put the frame on top and try to figure out if it's going to hold inside. So the solution is going to be following. You have to grab this piece, put it here. Next, this part goes here. And next we will put this piece right in here. The next part is going to be this one. You have to put it right here. And as you can see, if I hold this piece, it's going to hold this part as well, since it will be held by this small cube. Next, we have to put this piece right in this corner. And this small piece will go on top. And if we hold this part, it's going to hold this piece, it's going to hold this piece, it's going to hold this and this one. The only piece left that is going to fall is going to be this one. But to hold this piece, we're going to put this on top, and that's going to be the piece that is going to hold the whole shape together and not going to let it fall down inside the frame. And now we can put the frame on top like this. Now you have to flip it upside down. That's gonna be like this. And as you can see, I've been able to cover the opening. And if I try to shake it, and I try to shake it really hard, it is not falling apart. That means that is the correct solution and the puzzle is solved. So that was the solution of Shrinking Soma puzzle designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!